Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. Today we'll be designing this simple party flyer. It's very simple and straightforward, as you've seen in almost all my videos. So I'll be creating a new layer here, So first things first, I'll be using this. Let me turn off these layers. Let me explain to you how I got these layers exactly. So this is just a simple image. You can see this is just a PNG file that I got online on Pinterest. So if I turn off this layer here, you can see the list layer mask. You can see that it's an image like this. Control Z. So I actually faded out this part to make it blend with the background well, and removed it as a PNG file, as you can see. So the next thing I did was to bring in my text. This text was gotten from free pics. So you can see this. Just change your text here, that's all. Just change the text and you get this particular text. Very simple and straightforward. Then this spice is called, the font I used here was autograph personal use for the font, and I added stroke and drop shadow to it. You can see stroke 9, size 9, position is outside, blend mode is normal, color is white. The drop shadow, opacity is 100, distance is 20, spread is 0, size is 8 for this. So what I did next here was to bring this normal design, just normal text that you can get online. Very simple, just for illustrative purposes. You can get this online, you can play around it and work around it. It's very simple and straightforward. Then I now brought in my light for my design. You can see this is a light I got online. I created with the brush tool. So if you want to create your light, you can come to you can press B on your keyboard for brush. While you create a new layer, you can change your color to any color you want. You can change it. Let's change it to this. Okay, let's say this color now. Let's this yellow color. You can just tap one, as you can see. Then now change the blend mode. Change the blend mode to probably linear dot add, something like this. V to move dot add. You can see that it has changed the color. You can see. So it's very simple and straightforward. So you can decide to work on your own, and get your desired result. It's very simple and straightforward. As you can see in all my videos too, I have a new video so that I'll be dropping too. I'll be dropping this particular design. I'm dropping this free PSD file, and also if it's loading, also this PSD file also. Everything will be dropped on my page, so please do it to subscribe and watch my other videos to learn more and enjoy. So watch this video to be able to get the password to my work. Thank you very much.